What is it, Mutlu?
You don't see the traffic jam?
Nani, nani, nani. Please don't obstruct the ambulance's way. Nani, nani, nani.
Cover. Plaster. Button. Ruler. Cotton. That's it! We cured our patient successfully.
So you're saying I'm much better now?
Come on, let's eat and celebrate our new doctor.
And let's not forget you, Miss Nurse.
Where on earth are they going now? Looks like the kitchen. I'm so cool, I prepared their food already. I bet they'll next come running in here and ask me to read them a story. I'm so great.
Wait for me too! Hey guys!
Honey, I'm home. Uh-oh, the sun is out. Are you still in the house? Was there a hurricane?
Ah, honey, we were just about to play the game Tidy Up the Mess, and you came home.
Okay, who wrapped Mutlu up like that?
He was sick, and we cured him, Mom.
I hope we still have time to take off my bandages, Mom.